Description: this super hydrating shampoo brings dry and tired hair back to life while countering the effects of sun, coloring, and blow drying. Benefits: good for anyone with dry, lifeless hair looking to restore moisture levels and shine. Suggested use: apply mid-length and work into the ends and roots. Atlantis Moisturizing B5 Conditioner. For maximum hydration, use Atlantis to condition and revitalize the driest parts of your hair. Ingredient-conscious formulas with outstanding performance plus killer fragrances. Our award-winning line of products feature unique ingredients and benefits designed to deliver immediate, high-performing results while keeping hair and scalp health at top of mind. Top reviews from the United States. Love this brand. I have thin hair, this shampoo is light but moisturizing. Love this brand as well.